by all graduates. As you embark to the phase of the exciting journey of reality of the real world, don't forget to look back on your alma mater and also those persons who help you, and extend sincere appreciation and commitment that they will be proud of you when you come back during alumni homecoming. So wag natin kalimutan, bago tayo lumabas sa ating campus, lingunin muna natin at magpasalamat tayo sa lahat po ng involved sa atin. Once again, good afternoon and congratulations, graduates. May God guide you on the right path of your journey towards a bountiful success. Thank you very much. Agyamanak kada kayo amin, Apo.
Thank you very much, Provincial Director, Police Colonel Arthur Salida, for that meaningful speech. And now, we will proceed to the presentation of candidates for graduation.
May we respectfully request our department heads, Mrs. Jocelyn Palier, and in behalf of retired Colonel Roland Villar, may we call on retired Police Lieutenant Dinasio Maling, Second Officer Migara F. Grino, and Mrs. Georgine Biscocho to present the candidates for graduation.
Madam Senior Vice President, Ma'am, I have the honor to present to you 8 candidates for graduation for Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, composed of 3 males and 5 females. 5 candidates for graduation for Bachelor of Science in Information Systems, composed of 4 males and 1 female.
Madam Senior Vice President, Ma'am Laurie Nardo, I have the honor to present to you the 89 candidates for graduation for the Bachelor of Science Criminology, composed of 66 males and 23 females.
Madam Senior Vice President, I have the honor to present to you the 17 candidates for graduation for the course Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management, composed of 1 male and 16 females.
Madam Senior Vice President, I have the honor to present to you the 37 candidates for graduation of Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation, composed of 32 males and 5 females. As Dean of Marine Transportation of BSTI, I certify that they are completed the academic requirements and shipboard training as prescribed by the Commission of Higher Education. I hereby recommend the 37 candidates that they may confer to the degree of Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation, major in Navigation and Seamanship.
We respectfully request our Senior Vice President, Engineer Lorela Vinardo, for the confirmation of graduates. Ma'am.
By virtue of the authority vested in me by the CHED Regional Director, Dr. Jimmy G. Catanes, through the President of this institution, Dr. Sita J. Larga, and having been presented by the department heads and duly certified by the Registrar that you have completed the basic requirements prescribed by the Commission on Higher Education, I now confirm you graduates for the school year 2023-2024. Congratulations.
You have transferred the tassels of your cap to symbolize your confirmation of graduates. Congratulations.
Thank you, sirs, madam. Congratulations to the graduates of Batch 2024. We shall now move on to the imposition of the hoods.
Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. Angkana Brian. Opis Adrian E. Lumagi. Pernia Maika E. Parome. Quintero Maria E. de la Santa. Regencia Rosel E. Manalo. Requita Junior Marcelino E. de Suyo. Sahir Mary Catherine E. de Suyo. Sota Rica May E. Vito. Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. Are you willing to go out into the world to perform your role as responsible members of the Philippine society?
Therefore, we bid you put on your hood. Congratulations from Computer Science Department.
Bachelor of Science in Information Systems. Manzano Jesonel E. Villaruel. Montiel E. Mugol. Hindosa Lealin E. Peralejas. Rasa Darwin E. Villanueva. De Camara Windel E. Halos. Bachelor of Science in Information System. Are you willing to go out into the world to perform your role as responsible members of the Filipino society?
Therefore, we bid you put on your hood. Congratulations, Bachelor of Science in Information Systems. From the Bachelor of Science in Criminology, Almonte Dexter de Guzman, Arellino Karen Rivadiniera, Basalo Jera Elaine Sena, Cardona Carlina Romasanta, Conde Jervy Colin Rogelio, Constantino Mark Revin Ramiro, David Dario Jimenez, De Luna Byron Permejo, Del Mundo Adrian Auer, Domasian Sheena Limbo, Doroin Mike Napolitano, Edora Angelo Vito, Strope Desiree Pastrana, Fabavier Rafael Rio Florido, Fajardo Princess Ann Ibasitas, Garcia John Patrick Oblipias, Heronaga Eldrick James Fabregas, Grave Jovel Meicha, Historillo Lord Craig Isaac Mantal, Hulao Jimwell Isoli, Lagrama Ralph Morris Handusay, Lamar Liza Regencia, Largado Mark Lawrence Marticio, Caracas John Haji Colliantes, Laugo Joanna Wayne Hernales, Rincalio Gwendy Mel Sales, Macdon Clarence Jake Wakis, Malpaya Francis Ira Palma, Manalo Justin Linga, Manaog Kim Philip Naling.
BS in Criminology graduates, are you willing to go out into the world to perform your role as responsible members of the Philippine society?
Therefore, we bid you put on your hood. Congratulations, BS Criminology graduates.
Mandia Marlon E. Macayao, Mangkoy Cassandra E. Sandoval, Manggubat Jezreel E. Durana, Maranda John Carlo E. Mariscotes, Matre Jonas E. Rapsing, Mason Jess E. Monteagudo, Mexico Lexer John E. Estrada, Melendez Angela E. Haravilla, Mercolesia Laika E. Maigting, Monsanto Renz Allen E. Malangis, Montaron John Rex E. Monte, Monterrey Mark John E. Cabahug, Montuya John Rex E. Lanterna, Moreno Jeremy Ken E. Mangana, Mutya John Ronald E. Meneses, Osinsao Oscar Rodolph E. Recahuerta, Bacho Paulo E. Ligit, Pareño Crisette May E. Reynoso, Pedregal Winston Philip E. Salem, Perilla Mary Rose E. Rabanera, Telago R.C. Niño V. Fernando, Pilar Jovic E. Frias, Pilar Jansen E. Ribadiniera, Pindosa Renan J. E. Evangelista, Rabe Seljan E. Safranco, Rabe John Arnel E. Safranco, Regalado Gerard Paul E. Mexico, Regis Jeric E. Ricafranca, Rijano Jr. Efren E. Peñales, Clementilla Justin E. Peroco.
BS Criminology graduates, are you willing to go out in the world to perform your roles as responsible members of the Filipino society?
Therefore, we bid you put on your hood. Congratulations.
Rementilia Romelito Ramento, Reñido Raymart Dacilio, Reñido Rexel Constantino, Ray Adrian Lugmao, Ray Christine Salamat, Riblesa Vince Peña Florida, Rivamonte John Erwin Polio, Robles Maricris Prieto, Rocha Jazel Mendeja, Romasanta Oliver Padolina, Rondera John Jeremy Kimora, Rosas Mel Jansen Fernandez, Sadian Jonathan Labay, Sadian Rayan Robert Salva, Sadiwa Rayalin Morales, Sartilio Alfie de Guzman, Sartilio Danmar Cosmilio, Senyo John Ray Alarcon, Sol Paul Patrick Landoy, Tabat John Mark Garcia, Tagle Sunny Rico Hermoso, Ternate Angeline Palacios, Tige John Paul Nambio, Trinidad Ella May Opis, Tumagan Russell, Villena Rio Guhelde, Villalon Jean Patrice Laracas, Zulweta John Clyde Grimaldo. Zulweta Jocelyn K. Roldan.
BS in Criminology graduates, are you willing to go out into the world to perform your role as responsible members of the Filipino society?
Therefore, we bid you put on your hood. Congratulations, BS Criminology graduates.
Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management, Agapito Jr. Wilfredo Maningas, Constantino Kentlin Acosta, Hisuli Maria Alaisa Historillo, Halimbawa Jaira Mission, Bimbo Mary Queen E. Fabunan, Mabunga Ella May Moyar, Mawak Norabel Sena, Meneses Maria Gemma Briones, Mogol Krishna Jane Padilla, Par Tricia May Supleo, Pastoral Annabel Maanyo, Peregrine Maria Carmela Par, Rogelio Altea Palsiso, Saes Shane Adili Solito, Sapungan Mafi Evia, Similia Vicky de la Peña, Sosa Lindsay E. Soleta.
BS Tourism Management. Are you willing to go out into the world to perform your roles as responsible members of the society?
Therefore, we bid you put on your hood. Congratulations, BS in Tourism Management graduates.
of your readiness and willingness to live the life of full-fledged professional. It symbolizes the dignity of your work, the nobility of your service, the beauty and purity of sacrifice. Furthermore, it symbolizes the dignity of your profession. Thank you and congratulations to our new professionals. Congratulations to the parents too. We shall now proceed to the distribution of diplomas and certificates.
We are requesting the department heads and school officials to please join us here on stage to assist our distinguished guests in the distribution of certificates to our graduates. Let us all welcome the honor guards from BSMT. Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, Angkana Brian. Laylay Buak Marinduque. Opis Adrian E. Lumagi, Malibago, Torrijos, Marinduque. Pernia Maika Parome, Higwi, Torrijos, Marinduque. Quintero Maria Immaculada de la Santa, San Miguel, Buak, Marinduque. Regencia Rosel Manalon, dating Bayan, Santa Cruz, Marinduque. Requita Junior Marcelino de Soyo, Mangiliol, Gasan, Marinduque. Saher Mary Catherine de Suyo, Kaigangan, Benevista, Marinduque. Sota Rica May Vito, Masiga, Gasan, Marinduque. Bachelor of Science in Information Systems, Manzano Jesunel Villaruel, Ipil, Santa Cruz, Marinduque. Montiel Gilbert Mogol, Antipolo, Gasan, Marinduque. Quindosa Lealin Paralejas, San Antonio, Santa Cruz, Marinduque. Rasa Darwin Villanueva, Ponliu Torrijos Marinduque. Rikamarang Windel Halos, Sayaw Mugbog Marinduque.
Bachelor of Science in Criminology. Almonte Dexter de Guzman, Cabuyo Torrijos Marinduque, cum laude. Arino Karen Rivadinha, from Dolores, Santa Cruz, Marinduque. Basalo Jera Elaine Sena, Barangay 3, Gasan, Marinduque. Cardona Carlina Romasanta, Buangan, Torrijos, Marinduque. Conde Jervy Colin Rogelio, Pag-asa, Santa Cruz, Marinduque. Constantino Mark Revin Ramiro, Pulungparang, Santa Cruz, Marinduque. David Dario Jimenez, Aturan, Santa Cruz, Marinduque. De Luna Byron Permejo, Manlibunan, Santa Cruz, Marinduque. Del Mundo Adrian Auer, Poblacion Torrijos, Marinduque. Domasian Shina Limbo, Puyog Buak, Marinduque. Doroin Mike Napolitano, Anapog Sibukaw, Bogpog, Marinduque. Edora Angelo Vito, Yuok, Buena Vista, Marinduque. Estrope Desiree Pastrana, Tungib Lipata, Buena Vista, Marinduque. Pabavier Rafael Rio Florido, Poblacion Torrijos, Marinduque. Fajardo Mugpog, Marinduque. Garcia John Patrick Oblipias, Matuyatuya, Torrijos, Marinduque. Heronaga Eldrick James Fabregas, Yook, Buenavista, Marinduque. Brave Jovel May Cha, Tungib, Buenavista, Marinduque. Historillo Lord Craig Isaac Mantal, Maybo, Buwak, Marinduque. Hulao Jemuel Isoli, Masiga, Gasan, Marinduque. Lagrama Ralph Morris Handusay, Kawayan Ino Mogpog, Marinduque. Lamar Liza Rehencia, Aturan, Santa Cruz, Marinduque. Delgado Mark Lawrence Marticio, Bamban, Buwak, Marinduque. Caracas John Haji Colliantes, Argao, Mogpog, Marinduque. Laugo Joanna Wayne Hornales, Lupak, Buwak, Marinduque. Lincalio Gwendy Mel Sales, Isok Juan, Buwak, Marinduque. Macdon Clarence Jake Wakis, Tigyon, Gasan, Marinduque. Malpaya Francis Ira Palma, Santa Cruz, Marinduque. Manalo Justin Linga, Tungib Lipata, Buenavista, Marinduque. Manaog Kim Philip Naling, Maybo, Buwak, Marinduque. Mandia Marlon Makayaon, Balimbing, Buwak, Marinduque. Sandoval, Matandang Gasan, Gasan, Marinduque.
Manggubat Jezreel Durana, Tugos Buwak Marinduque. Maranda Giancarlo Mariscotes, Malbog Buwak Marinduque. Matre Jonas Rapsing, Boton Buwak Marinduque. Mason Jess Monteagudo, Tabi Buwak Marinduque. Mexico Lexer John Estrada, Tigyon Gasan Marinduque. Melendez Angela Harabilla, Lipa Santa Cruz Marinduque. Mercolesia Laika Maigting, Bantay Buwak Marinduque. Monsanto Renz Allen Malangis, Puyog Buwak Marinduque. Puntaron John Rex Monte, Malbog Buwak Marinduque. Monterrey Mark John Cabajo, Ipil Santa Cruz Marinduque. Montoya June Rex Lanterna, Pinggan Gasan Marinduque. Moreno Jeremy Ken Mangana, Kapayang Bugpog Marinduque. Mutya Jan Ronel Meneses, Tapuyan Gasan Marinduque. Cosinsao Oscar Rodo Tricahuerta, Barangay 4 Benevista, Marinduque. Pacho Paulo Ligid, Puyog Buwak Marinduque. Pareño Iset May Reynoso, Tigwi Torrijos Marinduque. Pedregal Winston Philip Salem, Poblacion Torrijos Marinduque. Perilla Mary Rose Rabanera, La Mesa, Santa Cruz, Marinduque. Pielago RC Niño Fernando, Maniwaya, Santa Cruz, Marinduque. Pilar Jovic Rias, Barangay 1, Gasan, Marinduque. Pilar Jansen Rivadeñera, Poblacion Torrijos, Marinduque. Quindosa Renan J. Evangelista, Calangkang, Santa Cruz, Marinduque. Rabe Seljan Safranco, Tigui, Torrijos, Marinduque. Rabe John Arnel Safranco, Tigui, Torrijos, Marinduque. Regalado Gerard Paul Mexico, Maranlig, Torrijos, Marinduque. Regis Jeric Ricafranca, Suwa, Torrijos, Marinduque. Rihano Jr. Efren Pinales, Hinadharan, Mugpog, Marinduque. Rementilla Justin Piropo, Maranlig, Torrijos, Marinduque. Rementilla Romelito Ramento, Maranlig, Torrijos, Marinduque. Reñedo Raymar Daquilo, Tawiran, Santa Cruz, Marinduque. Reñedo Rexiel Constantino, Buyabod, Santa Cruz, Marinduque. Ray Adrian Lugmao, Matalaba, Santa Cruz, Marinduque.
Ray Christine Salamat, Bakong, Gasan, Marinduque, cum laude. Riblesa Vince Peña Florida, Ipil, Santa Cruz, Marinduque. Rivamonte, John Erwin Polio, Banogbog, Santa Cruz, Marinduque. Robles Maricris Prieto, Agimit, Santa Cruz, Marinduque. Rocha Jazel Mendeja, Cabuyo, Torrijos, Marinduque. Roma Santa Oliver Padolina, Buyabod, Santa Cruz, Marinduque. Rondera John Jeremy Kimora, Poblacion Torrijos, Marinduque. Rosas Mel Jansen Fernandez, Poblacion Torrijos, Marinduque. Sadian Jonathan Labay, Tigyon Gasan, Marinduque. Sadian Rian Robert Salva, Mangelyol Gasan, Marinduque. Sadiwa Realin Morales, Malbog, Buenavista, Marinduque. Sartilio Alfie de Guzman, Daig, Buwak, Marinduque. Sartilio Danmark Osmilio, Isok Juan, Buwak, Marinduque. Senyo John Ray Alarcon, Bahi, Gasan, Marinduque. Sol Paul Patrick Landoy, Sawi, Buwak, Marinduque. Tabat John Mark Garcia, Suha, Torrijos, Marinduque. Tagle Sani Rico Hermoso, Ipil, Santa Cruz, Marinduque. Tarnate Angeline Palacios, Hupi, Santa Cruz, Marinduque. Tige John Paul Nambio, Tarug, Mogpog, Marinduque. Trinidad LMA Office, Sihi, Buenavista, Marinduque. Tumagan Russell, Tigyon, Gasan, Marinduque. Aguhelde, Tagpo, Torrijos, Marinduque. Villalon, Jean Patrice Laracas. Maharlika, Poblacion, Santa Cruz, Marinduque. Sulveta, John Clyde Grimaldo. Poblacion, Torrijos, Marinduque. Zulveta, Jocelyn K. Roldan, Pag-asa, Santa Cruz, Marinduque.
Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management, Agapito Junior Wilfredo Maningas, Tansa, Buac, Marinduque. Constantino Kentlin Acosta, Balogo, Santa Cruz, Marinduque. Hisuli Maria Alaysa Historillo, Bahi, Gasan, Marinduque. Halimbawa, Jaira Mission, Bakaw, Ibaba, Gasan, Marinduque. Limbo, Mary Queen, Pagunan, Binunga, Buac, Marinduque. Mabunga, Ella May Moyar, Bahi, Gasan, Marinduque. Mawak, Norabel Sena, Tabyunan, Gasan, Marinduque. Meneses Maria Gemma Briones, Kawit, Buac, Marinduque.